Ke Khasi Department jong ke North Eastern Hills University rengkat ke jinga Trilang bat ke Hindi Department ke lepelong ya ke workshop besisngi halor ke Pang hikai kumno banang ya ke Ketin Khasi begitu ki bamdai ki Khasi. Kajing temu jong kini kalong ban pencelur ya kajing keren ya ke Ketin Khasi hapedeng kinong penyat kinong hikai bat kisam lapuli jong kenehu. Habakren kini kesini Vice Chancellor ke North Eastern Hills University Professor P.S. Shukla uloong baka National Education Policy ke pencelur ya kajing puli ya kikitin bakren di kinong India bat kumjuru ya kikitin ki bakren hakidong bat kitan. Dr. Marbahadur Kemdej uway ni kinong hikay ke Khasi Department uloong bakani ke program kan yarap ya kitu kinong trey ki bamday ki Khasi bakin la ban ya kren bat ya smuthu bat kisamla puli kaneho.
If we are not having all three type of languages, I feel it create a problem in the future. Not for the teachers who already appointed in this university. In the future, my student will face the problem. That's why I'm just trying to discuss to start a kind of Bhasha Sangam, language communication platform in the name. Really, I feel proud to be present here. The head of the department of Khasi language, because you have the capacity. You have already the Khasi department, Garo department, Hindi department, linguistic department. And in the country, only few universities having such kind of facilities. And you can take initiative in the leadership of Professor S. Dakar. Really, I am very happy. He is already started the work in this area. I hope in the future we will able to make a different kind of environment in the campus of NEU. And students will also feel better to share their views in the local languages from one student to other student.
Workshop ila ya perkhat na kalian jongka Department Khasi buat kunju na kalian jongka Department Hindi ba miong ba kalade yani ya kabangin penlongkung kini ki workshop ha kaban yo ban hikai ya kini ki no hikai dan ki kena puli ki research scholar di badan honi bakin nang ya ketian Khasi but kani kan sya kaladon hidup mencuba program perkhat ke jongi ban mipej ki jelang i ba kibubun kinang suwa ban keren ya ketu ketin tenrei kumbalong mendapat haga jela ke jongi bawan nang nur namar bangi kluai ban keren ya ke English bat ya kluai ban keren ya ke Hindi te kim persyang ban menang ya kan ban keren ya ke ketin te kawai ke basuk tanat kalong bahdin ba wandung di bahasan salor pen pa bahaya kan ya kawai ba wong ba pale kino hikai Hindi ke menang ban keren Khasi balai kim nasyong la kata senem kwa ruban uru nang ya ban keren ya ke ketin tekani ke penlong yang mungkin hikai jong Khasi department bangin perkhat ba kan kanok wa bah la nang ilah ban penlong mungkin ki workshop kani ke workshop bangin penlong menta kan dai ke sin ke bandengkong ya ke bangin hikai ban menta kin don tangki research scholar bat kunju ki samla puli jong ka Hindi department te hadin ngin sanang nang penlong susu seki waipat namar ba ke workshop tang sisi nomor ban island ki hikai Henry nang ngilah ban penlong dak wei pat ki workshop ki ba sausi san singi bat hak bangin yo ru ki Indonesia benda na kino hikai la ni kinong trei jong kan ibu katakan kam untuk susu na ka benda jong ka department.
Yes, as we know that language can be learned in 1 or 2 days. So if this kind of workshop can be continued for many days, then we will learn better, then we will teach the students better. My main expectation is that first of all I will just learn basic communication skills, how to communicate with the local Khasi students,